Continuing on with classifications of angles. The fourth type that we have here, it doesn't look like an angle, it looks like a straight line. But if we define a point right in the middle there somewhere, we're going to call that O, and two other points of A and B. So if we look at this now, what we actually have is 3 points. Yes, they're all in a line, but we actually can define an angle here. And we see that angle A, O, B is 180 degrees, which is a straight line. So hence we call this a straight angle. And a straight angle is simply defined as an angle that measures at 180 degrees. So we can go on from there. I mean, we started earlier in the previous video at less than 90. Then we went to 90. We went to between 90 and 180. We went to 180. Now we can go beyond the 180 even and look at an angle like that. And we can define those angles as well. So if we do this, and again, I am going to define this as angle U, V, W. However, in this case, what I'm going to do, the angle, instead of the inside here, it's going to be around the long part of between the two arms. And what we call this type of angle is a reflex angle. And a reflex angle is defined as an angle that is more than 180 degrees. Now the last type of angle we have here, again, if we have two lines, as we've indicated with the arrows here, we basically got two lines superimposed right on top of themselves. What I'm going to do, I'm going to define 3 points here. And what I'm going to look at is an angle that is defined as starting here and going all the way around. One way of looking at this here is the angle between B and A. It can be 0 degrees if they're right on top of each other. But in this case, we're going to look at what's the angle if we go all the way around the long way. Well, that's going to be 360 degrees. So I can say angle AOB is 360 degrees. And we call this a complete angle. And it's simply an angle that measures at 360 degrees.